Does your business need high limit credit cards? I've got the perfect solution for you. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott, and through a strategic partnership with a relationship manager at Chase Bank, I am able to bring you the opportunity to be able to apply for high limit credit cards. And guess what? It's only requiring your personal credit. There's no business setup. There's no extreme time in business needed. You can qualify even as a brand new business. These business credit cards allow you to get 0% interest for up to 18 months, sometimes 12 months, depending on what your welcome offer is. And you can get up to 2 business credit cards with Chase as long as you don't have more than 2 cards already using your social security number. Now, the wonderful thing about Chase is you can actually reallocate limits. So if you already have 2 credit cards open, we can reallocate the limits into one and close the newest card so you have a higher limit with 1 card and you only have 1 card open. The reallocation of credit limits is a complete game changer, and a lot of people simply don't know about it. But of course, I'm here to tell you, I give you the information you need to know, not what you want to hear like these other gurus on here. But if you are interested in getting those high limits up to $100,000 with 0% interest for your business, whether it's a new business or an established business, whether you have revenue or you don't have revenue, and you don't need all of the fancy setup that we all talk about, the business name, the business phone number, the business email, the business website. You don't need any of that to get approved with Chase. Now, it is recommended that you set your business up the proper way. And of course, inside of the credit community, we teach you exactly how to structure your business. I even give my followers what's called the credit kit. This credit kit has my business funding blueprint in it, which gives you the roadmap on exactly what you need to do. But when it comes to Chase, you don't need any of that stuff. What you need is your personal credit report with Experian Optimize. You need your credit score over 700. And of course, all of the other data points that you need in order to qualify for these $100,000 credit card limits or $50,000 credit card limits, anywhere between 50 and 100,000, right? No documents are needed, no tax returns, no proof of revenue. It's all based off of stated income that's on your application and your personal credit report with Experian. I know it sounds too good to be true. Believe me, when I first learned about it, I was like, there's no way. This is so amazing. But this is a wonderful opportunity for business owners to get high limit credit cards that they can use to buy whatever they need or invest in advertising, marketing, pay for payroll, equipment, whatever your business needs, or just to have it to have. You need business credit cards, all right? And getting these high limit credit cards with Chase, anywhere from a 50 to 100,000, is going to give you a lot more opportunity and allow you to get some comparable credit under the business. These business credit cards do not report to your personal credit. They don't even report to the business credit. Now, since Chase is a member of the SBFE, they do get reported to the SBFE, but it's not like these are going to show on Dun & Bradstreet or even with Experian. So it's kind of like hidden debt. Of course, if you don't pay it and you default, it will come on your credit report. We don't want that. But this is a great way to allow you to be able to kind of, beat the initial low limit approvals that you would normally get online. Because generally when you go online, and even if you have decent credit, you might get 15,000, you might get 12,000, you might get 17,000, right? But generally you're not really going to get more than like 22,000, right? And if that's good for you, by all means do it. And hey, great. congratulations on the approval. But if you want to double, if not triple those approvals and get the 50, the 60, the 75, the 80, the 90,000, the 95,000 approvals, you need to work with what's called a relationship manager, an RM, okay? That way they can push through your application, because Chase they are very selective. They have rules. They have the 524 rule, which means if you have opened up more than 5 revolving credit accounts in the last 24 months, you could potentially get denied. But when you're working with a relationship manager, they could potentially push that through on the business side. So that's why it's so important to work with an experienced relationship manager that understands entrepreneurs and how they can help them and optimize their business so they can grow and they can expand, they can invest, they can market their business and do what they need to do in order to stay in business. So if you are interested in learning more about how you can get these big limit approvals, comment the word community and I will send you exclusive access to join the community and either join the live call, which we're having this month, or be able to watch the replay and get access to the rep once you meet those qualifications that Chase is looking for. Until next time, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure that you have subscribed to the channel. Give me a huge thumbs up, and most importantly, watch the video coming up next.